Checkable Grid is an excellent option to collect feedbacks with multiple variables in an organized manner. This field can function as a concise combination of multiple checkboxes or radio buttons. Drag and drop the Checkable Grid field from the Advanced Fields menu, or click on the Checkable Grid field to add it below the last field in the form editor. To enable customization, click on the edit icon you get when hovering over the field. Define the element label as you want it to display on the form. Choose the placement from the default. If you don't want it to show, select Hide Label. Define Admin Field Label to keep a note for yourself or the other admins if necessary. Only the admins can view this. Users can't. Determine if the Checkable Grid is to function as a checkbox or a radio button field. The procedure of setting up these two options are the same, but in the output form, the functionalities differ a bit. Add options by clicking the plus icon beside the last entered option. Now name all the options and checkmark them for default selection. Drag and drop the options holding the mark and rearrange them if required. Mark Show Values as checked for the ease of admins if needed. To learn about our advanced options, please check our advanced option video. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon.